kids! Let's meet some transport vehicles today. Ring the bell, somebody's not well. Let's call an ambulance. Ring the bell, somebody's not well. Our friendly ambulance. An ambulance can save a life. An ambulance can help you. An ambulance can take you fast. Wow, wow, wow! What a shame the barn's aflame. Let's call the fire truck. What a shame the barn's aflame. Our brave and bold fire truck. A fire truck can put out flames. A fire truck can rescue. A fire truck comes fast as it can. Wow, wow, wow! Look up high, up in the sky. It's a great big aeroplane. Up high, up in the sky. A great and beautiful aeroplane. An aeroplane can fly so high, carrying all those people. Through the clouds it zooms by. Zoom, zoom, zoom! Up and down and all around goes the passenger train. Crossing fields, crossing towns, the very long passenger train. A train can take you anywhere, from places near to places far. You can even sleep in there. Choo, choo, choo! Through the seas and loving the breeze, the cruise ship does sail on. Across the waves for days and days, the majestic ship sails on. A ship can cross the oceans wide. A ship can take you places. A ship can sail for days and nights. Splish, splash, splash! Look at the street, it's time to meet our favorite school bus. So many seats, it's time to meet our lovely yellow school bus. A school bus takes us to school. A school bus is friendly. A school bus will drop us home. Vroom, vroom, vroom!